So guys, we made it to Lemongrass in Esher. I actually went to the wrong place. Went to Walton-on-Thames. So this place has been highly recommended by a few of my friends. Well, I don't actually have any friends. So, Thai restaurant in Esher, we're gonna check it out. We've seen a few different things with like set menus and stuff like this, so who knows what we're gonna get. But, don't know about you mate, I've got a banging appetite right now, so we're gonna head in. Let's enjoy the meal. Made it in a nick of time. We, I think I said this outside, I literally went to the wrong place, so when Matt got here, full restaurant, and the time is currently 2:25, they finished serving lunch in literally like 4 or 5 minutes, so to be fair, they were very accommodating. Like, I thought they were legit going to be like, you can't order this, get out of my restaurant. But nah, it was all good, and I'm excited for the food. We've got some sizzling. We've got some sizzling squid.
Squid's gonna come laughing.
Oh my god, we got some sizzling squids. Yeah, we got a giggling squid. Chicken wings. What did you order again, Matt? Was it a noodle oyster chicken
stir
noodle?
fry?
We'll see it in a moment. We'll see it in a moment. But I am really excited for this. The food looks incredible, and we're literally their last order before they shut things down for lunch and into dinner. So yeah, I'm excited for this. Right, we've got to remember what this is. So this is the sizzling. No, yeah, sizzling.
Giggling.
Salt and pepper squid. Honestly guys, I wish you had smell-o-vision, because this, honestly, and I'm sure Matt would agree with this, smells insane. Like the wafts of chicken and sauce and everything else. This is like sweet and, is it sweet and sour sauce? I can't even remember what we ordered.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper sauce is just, yeah, we got to do a little taste test, because that, look, I mean, look at that, wow. I don't even know. Yeah, yeah.
That crunch.
Oh my god. The texture on that, I was not expecting that at all. I'm so glad we ordered that. That's unreal. And to be fair, squid or calamari in general is legit god tier starter. So I'm looking forward to trying that. But yeah, that 100% one bite. Yep, I would get that again. Right, so bit of squid. Oh, it's got a bit of a chode to it, isn't it? It's a little bit of a...
That's what she said.
Right, let's get involved in the sauce. Oh, she's thick, boy. I'm not sure what the sauce is. Hold on, let me, you know when like, this tastes so good you can't quite tell what the sauce is? Can't quite tell. I mean, it's like a spicy sweet and sour sauce. Yeah, it's like a spicy sweet and sour. But this, the texture of this, I mean, I absolutely love squid. I absolutely love like calamari or anything like that. I feel like if I had to choose, this bangs, but this is just elite, like. Okay, I'm gonna call it now. If you come Lemongrass, get that. This is really good, but that's just sensational.
Unbelievable, Jeff.
Unbelievable, Jeff. Right then, that is starters pretty much demolished. Little tip, if you're getting the wings like we got, and it comes with like a little sort of like saucy bit at the bottom, definitely scrape all of that up, because it really adds to the chicken. We both agreed, 8.5, 8.5. Like, really, really good. This one's got a bit of a kick with the chilies. This one was super tasty. The only thing that they could have done a little bit better was a tiny bit stretchy with the squid, but I mean, it's a good starter, I can't lie. So I'm glad we got it, let's put it that way. The other hack was squid. So this is sort of like a chili, spicy, kicky sauce. Just literally get the squid, get the chickeny bits, and much like we did in Red Dog Saloon, that's actually called Salon, that's actually called Saloon, we're gonna go, and then you go, the combo is just so good. It's so good.
There it is.
It's so tasty, man. Oh. So, oh my god, I can't even talk. So here we have the sizzling seafood platter, I believe it's called. I've probably absolutely slaughtered that name just like I always do. But we've got some king prawns, I believe we've got some cod, Mixture of vegetables in here as well, and then the coconut rice. The best way I can describe the coconut rice, obviously with it being coconut, it's going to smell like coconut anyway, but literally smells like Bounty. Got some little, some like Salt Bay action going on, but yeah, I'm excited for this, let's put it that way. I feel like I've said that about 10 times today. But
How excited are you?
on a range of 1 to 10, with 1 being I'm not excited and 10 being I'm about to shit myself, I'd probably be at about 10. So that's good. Oh my god, that's fucking hot. Oh no, I've ruined the pretty pattern on top now. Oh, for fuck. Oh, what a day. Why now? Oh, okay, right. Fish. Let's eat. Okay, so what have we got in here? So this looks like squid, I believe. Look at that. Whoosh. That looks like giraffe. Wait, what does giraffe look like when you cook it? I don't know. Oh, look at that. Mussels. King prawns, peppers. I was just saying to Matt actually, it's quite nice that I've got to a point post-prep where I'm now 4 weeks post-prep. Like, I'm always going to love food. Bit of a backstory about me. I come from a family of bakers. So if I didn't do some sort of thing with food on this channel, I would probably be like disowned by my entire family. And they'd be like, George, you're not allowed back in the house, boy. You gotta talk about food. I just burnt my thumb. Anyway, so yeah, we love food in my household, but look at that. Yeah, so I'm always going to be like a touch food focus just because I'm around it a lot, but like I say, I'm at a phase post-prep where I'm having more cravings for like vegetables, for fruits, and what you will find is that the less sort of processed food that you have, and the more vegetables you have, the more fruits you have, the more colours you have in your diet, the less those cravings are going to be, just because you've actually got a lot more energy for your day. So I mean, this looks unbelievable, and if you were to sort of like rack up all the calories, it probably wouldn't be that bad for you, like macro wise anyway. So best of both worlds, mate, can't complain.
You want to talk through what I got?
What's that?
Do you want to talk through what I got?
You have got, what have you got? You've got a, let me see if I can remember. You got chicken with oyster sauce. You also got a side of noodles underneath this bed here. And to be honest with you guys, anybody watching this, if you're dieting or if you're at maintenance or you're like being conscious of your macros, this is an extremely macro-friendly meal because you've got so many greens, so many reds, you know, vegetables are really going to be filling up that plate plus the chicken. Like, that's just, it looks delicious. The macros are going to be sensational. It's a good option, mate. Taste. Let's see what we're saying. Like, genuinely, I've only had one bite, let me have another bite. That's the best prawn I can remember eating. I don't even know if I can give a time frame on that. It's literally the meatiest prawn I think I've ever eaten. That is a statement. Okay, well, that's unreal. The chip, good. Very, very good. I've made it look like an absolute mess, but definitely could have made that look more appetizing with the presentation, didn't I? I've literally gone. I was just saying. Oh, sorry, mate. Just saying, these prawns. Let me get you a little camera action with the prawns. See the size of that? Boosh. Wow. That is honestly to put in one's mouth. Let me talk you through it. Yeah, the meatiest. Oh, you're such a meaty boy. I'm calling it. What's this place called again?
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass. Best prawn I've ever eaten. There you go. Way, like finger going up. Best prawn I've ever eaten. It's just a very, very meaty prawn. It's a big old meaty prawn. Best part's gone. Best part was the prawns. We've also got mussels here. The mussels are huge. I don't know if you can see that, but they've got like lots of different like sauce and seasoning stuff on it as well. Then they've got the squid here. Like, It's one of those meals where I can't really fault it. Like, good spread of sort of like vegetables, sauce complements each other really well. Sometimes you get like Thai or Chinese, they can be like a little bit greasy, but literally not at all. Like, it feels like, put it this way, after I've eaten this meal, I'll feel really good, like ready to go, ready to crack on with work. So yeah, I'm glad we came here, and I would 100% order this dish again. It was the sizzling seafood platter. So if you come here, I would definitely recommend trying this out. Muy bueno, muy bueno. Don't know why I did that, but yeah, it was nice. Yeah, so this is now my meal for the rest of the day. No, I'm joking. To be fair, my macros are actually solid at the minute. I'm at like 2007. So I basically, if I'm eating out like now, I'm sort of like around about my maintenance calories, if not in a small surplus. So literally, instead of having like 5 meals today, I'll maybe have like 3 and a snack or something like that. So it's all good. And you also get this lovely little chocolate coin, which you can take home for your little piggy. So yeah, that was good. Guys, that is lemongrass in Isha, not Walton, Isha. Would I recommend it? 100%. I don't often go for a lot of Thai food. I feel like whenever I see Thai, I go, yeah, don't skip lemongrass. If you're in Isha or surrounding areas, give it a try. Really lovely staff. You know, I had a bit of a chat at the end there. I would highly recommend it. We went for the, we can put it in the notes in our video, but seafood, sizzling seafood, calamari, sorry, the crispy squid. You'll see it on there anyway, you'll see it on there. But I would say, whether you're in a gaining phase, a cutting phase, there's literally something for everyone, because you're gonna get a lot of vegetables, rice, lean meats and stuff like that. So absolutely sensational. We rated it an 8.8 out of 10. Wow, do you like the wee thing when they go like, anyway, so.
The fuck is that? Shit! I'm dying in this fucking country ass fucked up town. Shit flying in my mouth. The fuck? I can't see pollen. Let's get the fuck out of this country, motherfucker.
So yeah, we rated it 8.8 out of 10. Guys, that is going to wrap up this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As per usual, if you've got any recommendations or any places that you'd like us to hit up in your local area, let us know. Yeah, that's it from me. As per usual, if you could like the video, thank you very much. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And if you have not followed me on Instagrams, then Matt is going to do some editing magic and he's going to do like an Instagram links somewhere around here. Anyway, love you all very much. Take care of yourself. Get down to lemongrass and adios. Bye.
Boom, we're in the frame.
Boosh. Perfect.
Again. Live.
That was nice. We should do like a Christmas series and do like the after 8 minute thing where like put it on your head and you go like, yeah.